Hi guys, welcome back to $2 Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Sync 3 on your Ford Focus. This applies to any Ford. The traditional way is you go to Ford's website, you put in the VIN number, and then you can get whatever update you need. However, I converted this car. This was originally Sync 1, which means if I load the car here, very early Sync 2, and I believe it's really early. It's like 2 point something. That's like, shut up. 2.2. So let's see that if I can change that. We're gonna Google CyanLabs Sync 3 updater. It looks like this. You go here. It's on GitHub. It's free. And once you open up your program, you're here. So first thing you need to do is it's gonna ask you for information. So 2.2, whatever your version is. You're going to need at least a 4 GB flash drive, which is in the computer, and random information. Is it navigation? What continent are you on, etc. And from there, you go here. So we're going to go to 3.4, and
just fired up.
Select our maps. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to hit start and start formatting this flash drive. Now we're just going to let this write itself. So here is the file downloading. This will take some time, so now we wait. Just a quick heads up here. You need a 16 GB flash drive or bigger. I know that's not a problem for most people because they have large flash drives and flash storage is cheap, but I had an 8 GB on hand, and that may explain why this wasn't working. So what you need to do is, I'm waiting on my genuine power cord adapter here, so I have this makeshift dongle. But what I need to do is wait to plug it in. Okay, so it says it's updating. Apparently it takes a while, so after 2 or 3 attempts and fiddling around with the cable, it's finally reading. As you can see, I had to take everything apart and play with it. But it is updating, so I'm going to go for a drive. From what I've heard, 30 minutes to an hour. We'll just cut to this when it's done. Okay, so it's about a half hour later. I just removed the flash drive as requested. Let's see what happens. Should be like 3.4 or something 8111. It's the latest version. That is indeed Sync 3.4. Let's take a look. Okay, so about here, about Sync 3.4231888. This is the correct version of Sync 3. So great, I finally have it, and most importantly, I have functioning navigation. So yeah, that's great. Don't forget to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe. And this is $2 Garage. Have a nice day.